So the next part we'll be doing is the gland stud. So like always, you want to open file, new, and we're going to open a new part. For the sake of this part, we'll be changing the units from millimeters, grams and seconds to inches, pounds and seconds. And we'll just be using the one plane for this drawing. So we're going to select the right plane, and we're going to have two center lines intersecting at the origin. We'll be using the horizontal center line as the axis of revolution, and we're just going to draw the rough outline of the part. So as you can see, it's not fully dimensioned yet. We haven't put any dimensions on. The first dimension we'll be using is this 3.5 length. So we're going to go to smart dimension and just add 3.5 there. After that we have 5/8 UNC. UNC refers to the thread form along this stud. For the sake of the model, we'll just be needing the major diameter, which means the outside. So we're going to make this 5/8 thick. And then that should be fully dimensioned. Next we want to turn this 2D part into a 3D model. So we go to features and then revolved boss. We're going to use this horizontal center line, like I said before, as the axis of revolution. And we're just going to make sure that this contour is selected. There we have the basis for the shape now, and we just need to add them chamfers. So we have a 1/16 times 45 degrees and 1/16 times 45 degrees once again. So you want to go to this fillet here, click on the drop down arrow and select chamfer. And here it brings up the menu of which items you want to chamfer. We want to do both edges, so we'll click on this edge, if I can get this to work. Holding control, clicking on both edges there, I'm going to use the chamfer tool. In there you can see both edges are appearing in the items to chamfer. We want to change this to 1/16, just like the drawing, and then this is already at 45 degrees, and we'll just give that a tick, and therefore your gland stud is complete.